Hey, hi everyone. This is Ram. Welcome to the KT Knowledge Transfer. In subject computer network, in Unit 1, we are going to the first topic. What is the Internet? A brief introduction to the global network revolution. Definition of the Internet. The Internet is a worldwide connection of computers. Like there will be a connection of the computers, devices, mobiles, each and every device. There will be connections throughout the world that shares information with each other. Like lot of devices or each and every device nowadays we are sharing lot of information like WhatsApp text or Telegram or emails or information, movie streaming, each and everything is a sharing which shares information with each other through the standard protocols. Like for sharing an information in between the two devices, there will be a network. That network will follow some rules and regulations. That rules and regulations is called standard protocols. This total happening sharing of data between the devices is called an internet. Global search billions of devices connected across every continent. Like billions of devices connected each other in the continent, billions. Standard protocols, universal communication rules enabling seamless data exchange. There will be standard protocols you will got to know in next coming videos. Internet connected networks, multiple networks joining together to form a massive system. Like simple example, our Andhra Pradesh state and the Karnataka state. These two networks connecting means there will be found some large network like that. India's network and an American network. Connecting these two networks forms a very big network. Connecting like each and every country's network, it forms a massive system. Set simple example like internet diagram. Here layer 1 is there, our systems, devices, mobiles. If we want to request any data, it will go through the network. In this network, there will be a lot of devices, routers, switches. Each and a lot of devices will be there. It will go through that devices and it reaches to the server. That server will gives the information which is related to that request, and it will comes to the through the network, and we will that request information will be reaches to the devices. Layer 1, layer 2, layer 3. How the internet works, basic concept. Internet, how it will be works. Data breakdown. Information splits into small packets for efficient transmission. Data travels through the router and the switches via cables and wireless links. Packets reunit at destination to recreate original message. I will give you a small example. Information splits into small packets for efficient transmission. Like if we give you a prompt, for example, uh, give me some of the images of the Virat Kohli. This prompt will be first splits into small packets. That small packets will be encrypted, like which humans will not be understand that message. It will go through the network and it will reaches to the server. That server will be decrypted again. It will how humans will be understand, and it will understand that message and it will give the information, and it will reach us to our data. This data travels through the routers and the switches via cables and the wireless links. I said before itself, in that networking there will be routers and the switches, and there will be Wi-Fi connection means packets will be there. Packets reunit at the destination to recreate original message. For example, server sends some of the information of the um, about networking itself. About networking itself, a server gives some uh, information. That information comes in the packets through the networking routers and the switches, and it will comes to our device. Before coming to our device, before reaching to our device, it will these packets will be reassembled and reassembled in a sequence way to give us a perfect content. Entire process completes in milliseconds. In fraction of seconds, this process will be completed in a fraction of seconds. Example: accessing a website. Before itself, I said one of the example, right? Asking about any images, asking about any related information to the server. By server means we can search in a Google itself. You type www.google.com in your browser address bar. Packet transformation. Your device sends request packets to the website server. Server process request and sends back web pages data packets. We will receive an information. Browser assembles packets and displays the complete web page instantly. That Google will gives us complete web page, whatever we have requested. This is the small request. Engage with us. you found this content helpful, please consider the supporting our channel. Please subscribe our future updates. Like this content to show your support. Turn on the notification bell for new content alerts. Provide valuable feedback in the comments to help us improve. Uses of the internet. What are the uses of the internet? Basically, like sending of the emails, video calls, social media platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, connect people globally. Nowadays, we have a lot of applications to connecting WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram. Lot of applications are there. Information access. Search engines like Google, online education platforms provide instant knowledge. Whatever we want the information, we can search in the Google, ChatGPT, Gemini AI, etc. Entertainment, streaming videos, music, services, and the planning online gaming offer endless entertainment options. We have nowadays we have a lot of entertainments. AHA is there. G Cinemas is there. A lot of applications also there, streaming their videos and music and services. Business and the commercial e-commerce platforms like Amazon digital payments system revolutionize trade. Amazon, Flipkart, there will be a lot of payment services, phone pay, etc. are there. Misuse of internet, cybercrime, phishing attacks, hacking attempts, and identity theft targeting unsuspecting users. Identity theft, like identity theft means like some other using our Instagram. Identity theft, fake news, false information spreading rapidly across social networks. Fake news, for example, DeepSeek AI of Rashmika Mandana, it is in fake news. It goes around in the network, right, in the internet. Digital addiction, excessive usage of the affecting mental health and productivity, real world relationships. Nowadays we are using a lot of mobiles. We can't live without mobile for half an hour also. Privacy violation, data breaches and unauthorized surveillances, compromising personal information. Nowadays we are giving our personal information for each and everything. For ChatGPT, for Gemini AI, that ChatGPT, Gemini AI, they're storing our personal information. These are all the misuses of the internet. How do we connect? Like the total devices will be there, right? The total devices, how it will be connected? High speed fiber optics cables spanning continents. All the continents to connect me, there will be a lot of fiber optics will be there to connecting traditional telephone lines for the basic connectivity. Undersea cables linking countries across oceans, like to linking in countries through the land means like that there will be a lot of disturbances will be there to it will be impossible to connect also, so they are connecting undersea cables linking countries across the oceans. Wireless solutions, while Wi-Fi network for the local area connectivity, mobile data networks for 3G, 4G, and advanced 5G, satellite connections for the remote locations. Internet service providers act as a gateways, providing users with access to the global network through the various connections methods. For every country, there will be one or two, three gateways. For our India, we have only Mumbai, one of the gateway is there, and another one is the Chennai. We have one gateway is there. All the data it will goes through the that gateway itself. Like you will got to know in next coming videos. Last slide. This is the last slide of this video. Just for your information, internet users worldwide in 2024 there is a 4.9 billion users are there. 1.13 billion websites currently active on the internet. In the internet, there is a 1.13 billion websites. 5 billion searches performed on Google daily. Like how we search Virat Kohli images in Google, like that, there is a 5 billion searches per day. Per day, 5 billion searches will be happen in a Google. These staggering numbers represent the scale of our interconnected digital world. Like these numbers are there, right? 4.9 billion, 1.13 billion, 5 billion. These numbers says at the scale of our interconnected digital world. How much we are connected in the world, it says. Where information travels at the speed of light across the continents. How the light travels in the air, like that our information also travels across the continents. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Signing off. Bye bye.